Hi, my name is Nick Carpenter-Brooks and I'm here with Zara Everett of England Netball, and we're going to talk through one of the ways that you can strap a netball athlete for patellar tendinopathy. So all we're going to do here is just add a little bit of support underneath the knee onto the tendon, and that's going to hope to offload the tendon with all the running and the jumping and the change of direction that these guys will do. So to start with, all we're going to do, if you just straighten out slightly further for me, there we go. So we're going to go a nice loose wrap of EAB around the tendon there, and we're just going to cut there and go nice and loose here because we don't need to add any support here. Okay, and then all we're going to do is 2 strips of tan, okay, and we're going to add a little bit of traction there. We're then going to roll the tape over so it makes a kind of like a rope structure, and once you've got enough there, have a feel for the tendon, so make sure that you're on it, and we're going to wrap round there and just add a little bit of compression onto the tendon there to help offload it. So we'll go 1 at the top and then we'll repeat and do exactly the same slightly lower down. So again, add a little bit of tension there. We're going to roll the tape over, and then we're going to come slightly underneath the one we've just done, rip, add a little bit of tension underneath, and then just a little bit of terrible EAB to just look after that and make sure that it doesn't come loose as we go through the game. Cool.